Welcome to Stealthy Finance Tips, where we make managing your money easy and effective. Did you know that nearly 40% of people earning $18 an hour find it challenging to manage their finances effectively? If you're one of them, you're not alone. Introduction. Today, we're diving into the essentials of budgeting on an $18 per hour wage. Mastering your budget is crucial for financial stability and achieving your goals, no matter your income level. Managing finances on a limited income can be tough. High living costs, unexpected expenses, and limited room for savings make budgeting essential. Many struggle to balance rent, bills, groceries, and other essentials, leading to financial stress and uncertainty. Here are some practical budgeting tips for those earning $18 per hour. Track your expenses. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor where your money goes. Prioritize needs versus wants. Focus on essential expenses first and minimize discretionary spending. Utilize budgeting apps. Tools like Mint or YNAB can help you stay organized and on track. Meet Sarah, who successfully managed her finances on $18 an hour. By diligently tracking her expenses, prioritizing her needs, and using a budgeting app, she was able to save for an emergency fund and even start investing in her future. Summary: to sum up, tracking your expenses, distinguishing between needs and wants, and leveraging budgeting tools are key strategies for financial success on an $18 per hour wage. Effective budgeting is the cornerstone of long-term financial stability. Have your own budgeting tips or challenges? Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Stealthy Finance Tips for more insights on managing your money effectively. Thanks for watching.